In today's fast-paced world, it's important to understand the importance of work-life balance. This concept refers to the balance between our professional and personal responsibilities and how we prioritize and manage them. Having a healthy work-life balance is essential for our overall well-being and satisfaction. Work-life balance is important because it allows us to take care of our physical, emotional, and mental health. It helps us to be more productive, reduces stress and burnout, and improves our relationships. When we have a balance between our work and personal lives, we are better able to enjoy the things that are important to us, like spending time with family and friends, pursuing hobbies and interests, and taking care of ourselves. One of the biggest challenges in achieving work-life balance is that our professional and personal lives are often intertwined. We may have demanding jobs that require us to work long hours, or we may have family responsibilities that make it difficult to focus on our careers. However, it is important to recognize that these challenges are not insurmountable and that there are ways to achieve a balance. One effective way to achieve work-life balance is to set clear boundaries. This means setting limits on the amount of time we spend working, and making sure that we have time for other activities. For example, we can set a specific time to stop working each day and make sure that we are not working on weekends or holidays. Another important aspect of work-life balance is time management. This means using our time effectively and efficiently, so that we can accomplish what we need to do in less time. This can include techniques like prioritizing, delegating, and using tools like calendars and to-do lists. We can also focus on self-care and wellness, which are essential for maintaining a balance between work and personal life. This can include things like exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. It also includes taking time to do things that we enjoy, such as reading, watching a movie, or taking a walk. Finally, it is important to be flexible and to adjust our plans as needed. We may need to make changes to our schedules or priorities as our lives change. For example, we may need to work more hours during a busy period at work, but then make up the time later by taking a vacation. In conclusion, achieving work-life balance is essential for our overall well-being and satisfaction. It allows us to take care of our physical, emotional, and mental health, and to be more productive. By setting clear boundaries, time management, focus on self-care, wellness and being flexible, we can achieve a balance between our work and personal lives.